how we can calculate spray rate for coating guns for a specific coating solution, or how we can validate our spray guns for a specific coating suspension, and how we can calculate total number of hours required for a specific quantity of the coating solution, mean how we can fix and validate coating time for our batch. These are the most commonly asked questions, and most of the professionals working in pharmaceutical industries are not aware of these answers, because as we know that coating is an art and most of us are not involved in the coating process. We only rely on the operators, and we do not know how we can calculate various calculations of spray rate, how we can validate our spray guns, and how we can validate our coating time. In this video we will find the answer of all these questions, and I will teach you how we can calculate all these mentioned questions. Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharmainform. So let's start our video. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the bell icon button and subscription button. So let's start our video. For calculation of spray rate and for the gun validation and for determination of coating time for a specific quantity of solution for batch size, we have the requirements of coating pan, spray guns. Requirements are coating pan, spray guns, tubing, silicone tubing, air pipes, peristaltic pump, polythene bags, weighing balance, and tie clips. So for these calculations, first of all we must have a coating pan and all the assemblies must be connected, mean our spray guns must be connected with each other with silicone tubings, with compressed air pipes, and our suspension must be prepared, and peristaltic pump must be available. We also require polythene bags, weighing balance, and tie clips or rubber bands for clipping. So how we will start? First of all we will calculate the coating spray rate, mean how we can calculate spray rate from different coating guns. We will also calculate average spray rate from the all installed guns in a specific coater. For example, we have a coating pan which have 4 guns installed. Suppose gun A, gun B, gun C, and gun D. We will calculate the spray rate from each gun, mean we will calculate the quantity of spray which is delivered by gun A, gun B, gun C, gun D, and then we will take an average spray rate for all guns, mean we have 4 spray guns. So to calculate the spray rate, we will attach a polythene bag in front of each gun and will tie it with a clip by wrapping it around the spray gun, so that our all the coating solution is collected in the polythene bag. In this way we will wrap a polythene bag around each spray gun, mean we have a spray rod. Here we have gun 1, here we have gun 2, gun 3, and gun 4. We will wrap a polythene bag around this gun, around this gun, around this gun, and around this gun. So all the solution will be collected in these polythene bags, the tare weight of these polythene bags is previously determined. So we will start our spraying process as in the case of original coating spray pattern. So we will start our peristaltic pump. For the spray rate calculation, if you want to calculate a spray rate for a specific suspension, we will use the solution of that specific suspension. And if you are going to calculate spray rate for a blank suspension or blank solution, you can use water as a spraying medium, so you can calculate the spray rate from each gun. Suppose we are going to calculate spray rate for a coating suspension which contain water as a solvent, HPMC, titanium dioxide, colorants and silicone, and its quantity is 36 liters or kg. So after connecting all the connections and passing the tubing through peristaltic pump, we will start spray at RPM of 20. Mean peristaltic pump is operated at 20 RPM. So at 20 RPM, the coating solution is collected in all the polythene bags, and after 1 minute we stop our spraying process, remove each polythene bag and weight it on the weighing balance. Suppose in RPM 20, in gun A we achieved 50.2 grams in 1 minute. In spray gun 2 we achieved 49.8 gram. In C we achieved 50.4 gram per minute, and in coating gun D we achieved 49.6 gram in 1 minute. So in this way you can calculate easily the spray rate for each gun. In this way we have achieved the following quantities of the coating solution. So now we will determine the average spray rate for these 4 guns. So simply we will plus these 4 quantities and divide it with 4. By using calculator, the sum is equal to 200 gram per minute, and by dividing it with 4, answer will be 50 gram per minute is the average value of coating solution which is sprayed by the 4 guns. So I hope now you are familiar how you can calculate our spray rate for the each gun. So the next one is spray guns validation, mean how we can validate our spray rate at different RPMs. So the method is very simple. We will proceed this calculation. Mean the value is 50 gram per minute in at 20 RPM. So suppose we increase RPMs and its value is equal to 30. Mean at peristaltic pump RPM 30 we want to validate or calculate our spray rate. Simply we will use unit rule. At 20 RPM we have 50 gram per minute. At 1 is equal to 50 gram over 20, and at 30 RPM we will have 50 over 20 into 30. So by using calculator, we will use calculator for this, and on mobile we will calculate it. 50 divided by 20 into 30. The answer is 75 gram per minute. Mean at the peristaltic pump RPM 30, the coating solution sprayed for all four guns will be 75 gram per minute. In the same way, if you want to increase the RPMs, mean at 50 RPM, you can calculate 50 over 20 into 50 over 20 into 50, and answer will be 125 gram per minute. So you can validate your spray rate at different RPMs. The next one is calculating of coating times. Mean this portion is very important because in pharmaceutical industries we do not have a validated coating time on a precise basis. Mean if you have these calculations, on the basis of these calculations you can precisely fix your coating suspension time. For that, suppose we have a coating solution of 36 liters or kg, and we want to operate our coating spray rate at the RPM of 30. So what will be the coating time, or what will be the time required for this suspension to finish? For this we will use a calculation as we previously calculated. At 30 RPM we have 75 grams per minute. So 75 grams per minute into 60 is equal to 4500 grams per minute. By divided it into 1000, we will have 4.5 liters. 4.5 liters means 75 into 60 for 1 hour. The value will be the 4.5 liters. In 1 minute, in 1 hour, 4.5 liters of a specific coating suspension which we are using of 36 liters will be consumed. The time and these values may differ on the basis of coating suspension, coating solution used. Mean different coating formulations have different viscosities, so you will have to validate your coating suspension of each batch to calculate these values. So we have 36 liters, and as we already calculated, in 1 hour 4.5 liter coating solution is sprayed. So in how much hours 36 liter will be finished? Simply 36 divided by 4.5. 36 divided by 4.5, answer is 8 hours. So from this calculation we can easily and theoretically calculate our coating spray time, and it will be 8 hours at the 30 RPM, and if you increase it at 60 RPM, so at 60 RPM we will calculate 50 divided by 20 into 60, 150 gram per minute into 60, 9000 ml, 9000 gram per minute per hour, sorry, divided by 1000 is equal to 9 liters per hour. So if we divide 36 over 9, answer will be 4 hours. Mean if we simply increase our RPMs from 30 to 60 by maintaining all the conditions like bed temperature, gun to bed distance, our tablet physically appearance, if all is good, at 60 RPM you can finish the same batch in 4 hours. So it is the importance of coating spray rate calculation, coating spray guns validation, and to fix or determination of the time required for the finishing of coating suspension. So I hope you are now familiar with all these calculations. If you have any confusion, you can comment in the comment box. I will answer your queries, and if you are now fully aware of this calculation, simply give the answer of the question. If we have 50 liters of suspension and 5 spray guns, the RPM is 70, and 50 liter of suspension, 5 guns, RPMs are 70. How much time will be required to finish this 50 liter coating suspension? So if you like the video, share it to others, and till the next video, Allah Hafiz.